how to store a live effect for future use in the assets panel. So I've got this twirl here, and this could be applied to any of the live effects. You've got layer, live filter effects, and you've got distort. All these can be stored away. So you can change this, and you're happy with that setting. So you've got that. You've got this twirl over here applied to any shape. Doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be a diamond. It could be text. It could be anything. But you've got this twirl. And you think with that there, go to the assets, go here, not this one, but this one, and add from selection. That does not appear to work. Seems to create some disconnected live effect that doesn't have any effect at all. So what you need to do is you go to diamond here. Now, please put in the comments below if you've had more joy with just using just the twirl. I have not been able to make it work just on its own. So with this diamond selected, what you can do, then go over here, because this has got twirl associated, and go from add from selection. So you can see it's stored there. You get a nice little view of it as well. So once you've done that, let's just remove this. Go move tool, just delete it. And I'm just going to go down here and maybe star. Could be anything. Could be any of the shapes, layers, text, anything. So you've got this star design. Go to the assets. Now, sometimes assets have a mind of their own, and if you try and drag them into the panel, they will work. Sometimes it will just ignore, and you can just keep trying to drag, and it doesn't seem to do anything. But this time, hopefully, yes, it does actually work. But I have noticed there seems to be a quirk or a bug where it doesn't. But still, you've got that layer now, and you can see now you've got your diamond. You don't obviously want the diamond, but you can expand it out, and you've got this twirl. And what I like to do is I simply just drag this down and just put it below. And I can get rid of the diamond now. Just going to delete that. Don't need that. I want the star. So the star needs a twirl effect. So simply drag this twirl up onto the star. You can see it highlighted there, and release. And now you expand that out and you can see the twirl. And exactly the same as before, just click. Brings up the panel, and you can now manipulate it further if you want to do any modifications to it. But it's a way of storing that exact setting for each time you use it. So you can come back to it 6 months' time, you've got that exact twirl. Now, of course, it would be nice if all of the live effects had a preset feature. I would love to see that. Sort of a library, sort of panel. Let's just close that. Something like window, you've got adjustment. Be lovely to have a similar sort of thing where you can just click and you can apply any kind of live effect. Please put in the comments if you know of another way of doing this. But assets seems to be one way of using something like a twirl, but it could be lighting, it could be anything else. And that's all stored here and then accessible via any object. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.